Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market in the last 24 hours, a lot of things have happened. The biggest news being XRP versus SEC case might be finally coming to a closure, as one of the insider actually talked about it on Twitter. Secondly, Elon Musk got overturned when he pretty much presented his proposal for crypto, and a lot of other things are happening, and that's why the crypto market is actually reacting in a positive way after about 7 days. Just to give you perspective, Bitcoin is showing signs that it will be able to capture 84,000 and actually stay above that support, while majority of the altcoins are doing something similar, with XRP at $2.20 and Doge at 17 cents. At the same time, Bitcoin is bouncing off a critical support trend line. Staying above this level is key to sustaining the uptrend. Dogecoin signals a rebound after hitting a key support, Doge to $2. Crypto exchange Binance gets a $2 billion investment from Abu Dhabi, and they're definitely becoming a lot bigger in the Middle East. And Bank of Russia to launch crypto trading under a 3-year experiment, while let's just say SEC versus Ripple cases in progress of wrapping up, and Senate vote no on Elon Musk's crypto bill. There is a lot to cover today. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button, especially turn on your notifications so as soon as I upload you can be up to date with the latest and the greatest news first. While you're there, slap a like on the video. It will just help the YouTube algorithm push the video out to more people. More people are paying attention to what's happening in the crypto market. They decide to buy into it. The user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, the market keeps climbing, and a lot of us make a lot of profit. Now, first of all, I want to start off with this news because I personally feel like a lot of people are missing the boat here. The Dutch bank says Bitcoin is like gold, and the US Strategic Bitcoin Reserve could set the international standards. Just to give you perspective, majority of the European Union was actually quite against Bitcoin Reserve, a strategic Bitcoin reserve that was being set up by Trump. But one of the European Union bank actually talking about this and mentioning crypto or just Bitcoin in general as a gold. Well, let's just say international standards are about to be risen, as America is going to start putting up their bag for the amount of crypto that they hold. On the other end, President Trump says he plans to lower the taxes if Democrats behave. Well, if the taxes are lowered, American people are going to be very happy. And Bank of Russia to allow limited crypto purchases for the investors, and that's exactly what's very exciting, because Bank of Russia has been very positive towards crypto in the past, before 2022 and every type of chaos that we have experienced. Before that, yes, they were not very fond of crypto, but after that, all the sanctions were put on them. They definitely started accepting crypto a little bit better. And Bank of Russia will allow limited crypto trading under a 3-year experimental legal framework restricted to high net worth individuals. The incentive aims to test the market operation under strict regulations, with the potential for creating regulated domestic exchange if successful. Mutual fund invests in crypto are under discussion, with experts advocating for the structured exposure to reduce the risk for investors. So let's just say Bank of Russia is trying to do a little bit of experiment so they're able to come to a conclusion in terms of what to do. And this is a big news of the last 24 hours, as two well-placed sources tell me that SEC versus Ripple case is in progress of wrapping up and could be over very soon. A lot of estimates say that it could be as close as 15th of April. Now, if mid of April XRP case comes to a close, and you guys know 1st of April is going to be huge, as it's going to be meme fest, and if Trump decides to talk about Dogecoin while Musk just pushes a little bit, we can definitely see a huge rally from Dogecoin. On the behalf of more than 500,000 members and supporters of the Public Citizen, we offer the following comment relating to the Guiding and Establishing National Innovation for U.S. Stablecoins Act, a bill settled for committee and March 13th, 2025. Without major foundational, we believe that the bill could simply add a sheen of the government legitimacy to a financial instrument that can harm the investors and dispute for centuries of policies that separate the banking from commerce. So pretty much they're not happy with the idea that Musk presented with stable coins, and you guys know that the US government is trying extremely hard. Before August, they want to get all of the regulations and restrictions that they want to impose on stablecoins up and running. On the other end, this is huge. Dogecoin signals a rebound after hitting a key support, and it's not just Dogecoin, it's also Bitcoin if it's able to hold this line, which is close to 77,000. If that support is held, we can see another explosive growth from our boy Bitcoin. Now, the US mortgage rates dropped from the 6th consecutive week to the lowest level since December 2024. This is good or bad? Well, in simple terms, it's actually very good for riskier assets, if you ask me, because it's pretty much a lot of people are not just going to keep their money in the bank where they're receiving high levels of interest. Now the interest will be less because they're paying less. The mortgage is less. Obviously, the interest you get in super savers is going to be less. So people are more likely to invest in riskier assets such as crypto. So overall, it could be seen as a positive thing for something like crypto. And 8 billion Dogecoin stunned futures traders. Well, currently, there is a lot of big whales which are paying very close attention to Dogecoin, and definitely the purchases have been huge, and that's why the market has become a little unexpected. As if you just pay attention to the overall idea, you'll realize that the market buyers or the whales are accumulating as much as possible. It's just the short-term traders which are making it a little bit harder. And SEC reportedly wrapping up the Ripple case, big moves ahead, and you can see better terms for 125 million fine, injunction from August ruling, and SEC's broader rollback of the crypto enforcement action. If they're able to come to an end, the ETFs might be accepted a little bit faster, and if it's accepted a little bit faster, obviously more money will be flowing into the crypto market. And historically, when Bitcoin drops below the 50-week MA, it tends to test the 200-week. Currently, that's at 75,500. Well, 46,000 is the one after. That's all I'm going to say. If this inverse head and shoulder pattern, Bitcoin could see a bullish breakout towards 91,000. And distortion, 69,000, Bitcoin price may become a reality. Well, let me tell you one thing. Finding a support at 69,000 will be much better than falling all the way down to 50,000. That's the simple answer. And the second largest Spanish lender announces Bitcoin and Ethereum trading services platform, and that will be going live very soon. More and more options for you to be able to be involved with crypto is going to allow more people to actually start buying into crypto. Overall, the market seems like the sentiments are very positive. If you ask me, everything I said today is not financial advice, it's just my personal opinion. If you guys are going to be putting your money into anything, make sure that you do your own research because it's your money. Other than that, thank you for watching. Have a great day and I'll see you soon.